Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Quick One.
Stivo.
Yeah.
Mokwe la mafela le bekitia Pirates 2-1. Ya dlemnyama ya Posen. Mo Moses Mapida.
Yeah.
Mart. Aba khabelela.
Yeah.
Le hono. Ke kwele gore be ba celebrate ama Pirates ka moka ba re Chiefs e turoyi.
Yeah.
Stivo ke nyaka gore bo wena ba botsa gore re winne ka bokae.
Kaizer Chiefs 1, Durban City 0. Yeah.
Stivo, we are dangerous. If they ask you what danger means, say Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
We are very dangerous.
Yeah. Yeah.
We are very dangerous, Stivo. You might call us Kaizer Chiefs or you might call us Mkwanas.
Yes.
Because it's the only man that can stop Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Stivo, we are not only a team, we are a team that qualified to CAF Confederation Cup group stages.
Yes. Yes.
Tomorrow, a dropout is playing against a graduate.
Yes.
Pirates dropped out of CAF. Sundowns is a graduate.
Yes.
The only difference between Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates,
King.
Pirates, is one of the Harivele Kamujol. You bolela e sa metse le maru e o bolela ka skolo wa inama wa wotsela Pirates ga o ka bolela ka cup ya serious CAF Nedbank that way premiership ngeke usayibona Pirates kodwa wakhuluma nge MTN 8 wakhuluma nge Black Label bakona Stivo Stivo maskuleke bazalwane baba siyabonga iKaizer Chiefs ingozi la emhlabeni sithembe iKaizer Chiefs ezulwini bathembe wena Sengidile bazalwane bathi amen